What's up YouTube, coming to you guys back with another video. Today we're gonna have an unboxing. Just got a package in from the guys over at PRL. Very excited to get this open, and I'll go over an overview and also go over the reasons why I chose this product. If you guys pick this up as well, definitely drop a comment below. If you guys went a different route, nothing wrong with that as well, and drop your reasons why you chose a different route. So with that being said, this is your first time on the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys are into Civic Type R content or automotive content in general. And if you like the content, definitely hit that like button as well. I definitely appreciate it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so just to look at what was in the packaging, we have some stickers, some PRL Motorsports stickers. We have this card, which I guess shows us who assembled the package. So shout out to, looks like Chad, appreciate it. And also, this was a pre-order. So one of the benefits of being one of the first people to pre-order was that there was this PRL reservoir cover that was thrown in as well. So pretty cool reservoir cover. I do have the Spoon Sports reservoir cover currently on the car now. So this may be used, I may give this away. Let me know if you guys are interested in the comments with the reservoir cover. Pretty cool. We have the air filter, pretty huge air filter, pretty cool. We have the rubber arm for the intake, and we have the huge air box with the PRL logo, so pretty cool there. I believe this is a velocity stack piece, or this is to go in to connect to the air filter. So this is the MAF sensor housing, so pretty cool. Feels pretty decent quality material. Then we have some miscellaneous bolts and just accessories needed to complete the install, along with some additional clamps for the install. So yeah, not too many items. Looking to get this installed probably tomorrow, and if I do, I'll definitely be on the lookout for that vid. Regardless if I get it done tomorrow or not, definitely an installation vid, and also my impressions as well as sound. I know you guys would definitely want to hear what it sounds like. And a big reason why I went with this intake and I waited was I do have the PRL stage 1 intake, which is like kind of has like a similar rubber arm like this, and I have like the Canon air filter, and surprisingly that setup actually works very well, especially if you're looking for a little bit more increased sound. A little bit more of that whooshing noise. That definitely gets that accomplished for around, I believe it's like 100 or 120 bucks. So not bad at all. And this intake itself, the high flow, PRL high flow intake, I believe it's like, or the pre-order was like $339, something like that with shipping. I think that price is back up to around $399. I'm not sure, but you guys can definitely, I'll drop a link on their website if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these for yourselves. I believe their second batch is due to ship in September, sometime in early September. And I'm not sure, you know, what their availability is going to be like after that, but I just know about the pre-order that I was part of the first batch, thankfully, and I know that there's a second batch of pre-orders, and I'm not sure when the if you didn't pre-order, I'm not sure when those will be shipping out. But I'm sure that there'll be some communication on their website. Like I said, that will be drop down below in the description. So now I'll be adding the high flow volume intake. Like I said, I have their stage 1, that will be for sale. Also have the PRL front mount intercooler. So really haven't had any issues with any of their products, as they've all been pretty awesome. So definitely looking forward to getting this piece installed and, just seeing, what this sounds like as well and what this feels like. The car is still not tuned. I do have Honda, just waiting on sending my ECU out. Also just trying to, make sure that the warranty, that I don't have any issues, which I haven't. So it should be all good to go as far as getting the Honda out there. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this content, definitely hit that like button. And if you want to, stay tuned for the installation and my impressions of this intake, definitely hit that subscribe button as well. And more content is definitely on the way. So thank you guys for watching. And like I said, if there's anything that I didn't cover in the video, definitely drop a comment. I'll be more than happy to try to answer that question in the comments. But thank you guys for watching, and I am out.